Get ready to unlock your full muscle building potential and achieve a stronger, more defined physique. If you're over 40 and looking to transform your body, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 exercises that are perfect for building muscle and boosting your strength. Stick around to learn how these powerful moves can help you achieve the results you've been waiting for. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on transforming your body and staying strong. 1. Barbell back squat. Let's kick things off with the Kanturn barbell back squat, an essential compound movement for building your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. It's one of the best exercises for overall leg development and functional fitness. Squats also help improve balance, stability, and testosterone levels, which naturally decline with age, making it easier to build and maintain muscle mass. How to perform it. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes slightly pointed outward. Rest the barbell on your upper traps, just below your neck. Keep your chest up and core engaged as you lower your body into a squat. Think about sitting back into an invisible chair, ensuring your knees track over your toes. Lower until your thighs are at least parallel to the ground, then push through your heels to return to standing. Avoid rounding your lower back and keep the movement controlled. Aim for 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. 2. Barbell bench press. Next up is the barbell bench press, a classic upper body exercise that targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. It's a staple for building a strong, defined chest and maintaining upper body strength. This compound movement also supports good posture and shoulder joint health, which are crucial for functional fitness. How to perform it. Lie on a flat bench with your feet flat on the floor for stability. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower the bar slowly to your chest, keeping your elbows at a 45-degree angle to your body. Once the bar lightly touches your chest, press it back up until your arms are fully extended. Avoid flaring your elbows outward, as this can strain your shoulders. Aim for 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. 3. Romanian Deadlift. Now let's talk about the Romanian Deadlift, an essential exercise for building hamstrings, glutes, and lower back strength. It's particularly important as you age to maintain a strong posterior chain. This movement not only strengthens your hamstrings and glutes, but also enhances your hip mobility, which is vital for overall functionality as you get older. How to perform it. Start by standing with your feet hip-width apart, holding a barbell with an overhand grip. Keep your knees slightly bent and your back straight. Hinge at your hips, pushing your buttocks backward as you lower the barbell along your legs. Lower the bar until you feel a stretch in your hamstrings, then push through your heels and thrust your hips forward to return to the starting position. Maintain a flat back throughout the movement for safety and effectiveness. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 4. Bent over barbell row. The bent over barbell row is a game changer for building a thick, strong back. This exercise targets your lats, traps, rhomboids, biceps, and forearms, making it perfect for improving posture and pulling strength. A strong back is crucial for preventing injuries, counteracting slouching, and maintaining upper body strength. How to perform it. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and hold a barbell with an overhand grip. Bend your knees slightly and hinge at your hips, keeping your back straight and torso nearly parallel to the ground. Let the bar hang at arm's length, then pull it towards your lower chest or upper abdomen by squeezing your shoulder blades together. Pause briefly at the top, then lower the bar back down in a controlled motion. Keep your core engaged to prevent rounding your lower back. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. 5. Seated barbell shoulder press. Lastly, we have the seated barbell shoulder press, which is excellent for building shoulder size and strength. Strong shoulders are essential for maintaining good posture and preventing injuries. This exercise also engages the triceps, adding to your overall upper arm strength. How to perform it. Sit on a bench with back support and keep your feet flat on the ground. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart, holding it at shoulder height. Press the barbell overhead until your arms are fully extended, but don't lock your elbows. Lower the bar back to shoulder level in a controlled manner. Keep your core tight throughout to protect your lower back. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. By incorporating these, 5 powerhouse exercises into your routine, you'll see amazing results in no time. Consistency is key, so keep challenging yourself and tracking your progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Let's build strength and stay fit together. Check out our other videos on the screen right now.